guys, today we're going to do a little bit different electric vehicle. Purchased one of these Super 73s online, and I'm loving it so far. It's really fun to drive. This is a class 1, class 2, and class 3 bicycle. It does have an electric motor on it here. You can see it here. It came scratched, but they're sending me a new decal. But it has this electric motor. You can drive it on surface streets like you're seeing here, or even dirt paths like that, or even on the traditional road with other vehicles, since it's class 3. It's about 75 pounds in weight, so it's a little hard to just pedal straight like a normal bicycle, but it has 4 different modes in the pedal assist, and that'll get you up to about 21 miles an hour on pedal assist. If you switch it to pedal assist only, you can get that a little higher to about 28 miles per hour. And then there is an option to go into what's called an unlimited mode, where you use throttle only, and that'll get you up to about 31 miles an hour. So again, the option is here are just to pedal like a normal bike. If you pedal it with pedal assist, it'll kick in the pedal assist, or there is a throttle here that you can use if you want to as well, and use both pedal assist and throttle at the same time. So this is how it arrives at your door. It's shipped via courier. It comes in this gigantic labeled Super 73 box, partially because it's fully assembled with the exception of the handlebars and the headlight. So you just have to take these 2 yellow straps off and lift the box straight up, and you're good to go. So I'll show you how it looks when you open the box. I'll get it all assembled, and then we'll take it for a quick ride. What comes in the box, it has a couple Allen wrenches that you need to adjust the handlebars, the pedals. It comes with an instruction manual, some hardware, and a power adapter. My specific model S2, the headlight arrived a couple days later in a separate box, and then I just mounted it on by putting 2 screws in the bottom of the handlebars. When you're looking at the bike here, if you're sitting on it, you got your battery pack right here, your pedals for pedal assist. It's got a rear and a front brake. There's a throttle right here. You see your headlight, and then this is kind of your main instrumentation cluster. So it's different functionality that you could do here is if you hold this button down, it'll turn on the front headlight. If you hold it off, it'll turn that headlight back off. You can see miles per hour. This little ring right here shows how much charge. So when it's all the way there, fully illuminated and it's fully charged, it's about 75% now. It'll show the miles per hour that you're going once you start going. You can control kind of your speed levels. This is for pedal assist. depending on how fast you want to go. Level 4 would be about 21 miles per hour is what I've kind of figured. And then there's shows your range. You got 26 miles left on the battery life. Pedal assist level, total miles that this bike's been ridden so far, 13, so kind of an odometer. And then if you hold this down, you can get into kind of a settings mode where you can change miles to kilometers and Fahrenheit, etc. So put that back there. Left side versus right side, the backlight settings, the version, etc. You have your suspension down here that you can adjust. Suspension for the shocks, the front shocks. And so it does say class 2 though. So basically the way this works is once you pedal, the motor will kick in. You can hear it doing that now. And you can see the speed kind of moving up. Alternatively, you can use just you can not pedal and just use the throttle and it goes well. You can get up to about 21 miles an hour with the throttle itself. So if you take a look at the instruction manual here, you'll see that there's different rider modes. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's an unlimited mode. Up until now, I've just been using 1 and 2 up to about 21 miles an hour, but I'm going to switch it to unlimited, and we'll see how if we can get it to go much faster. If we look a little bit further back here, it says that you change it using the app, so I'll go ahead and do that. Pretty simple to do. You just pull up the app, click on vehicle, click on the settings, change the mode to number 4. Pedal assist only mode. Pedal assist only mode. That was way faster. Yeah, that was way faster in the pedal assist only mode. So let's switch this to level 4, unlimited throttle mode, and we'll see how fast we can get this thing to go. Okay, so it's in throttle only mode, unlimited, and we'll see what happens. Torque's about the same, so there's no real increase in lift off. Oh, but you can definitely feel it. Much noisier.